So you want to know what 99% of tech professionals use? All right, it's these three free tools, right? Number one is VS Code. Of course, VS Code is not the only one out there, but that's like the popular one right now. All right, so VS Code, which is actually just a simple text editor for coding, right? Think of it like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, just specifically for coding. It's actually a digital workbench where your codes are produced, where you actually sit down to put together the programming that you use to run your app. Then we have the next tool, which is actually Git. You can think of Git like a save button on steroids, right? It's a save button on steroids. It's actually something that enables you to store or record all the progress and little changes that happen in your code or whatever file you're working in. So it's called version control. It tracks the versions of your project or your whatever you're working on to keep it saved, right? So at any point you have made a mistake or you want to go back in time, you could just quickly hit the undo button. Of course, it's not an undo button, but it works like one. All right, and then we finally have the GitHub. Yeah, you had that Git, and then there's GitHub, right? So GitHub is more like a Google Drive, but for codes, right? It enables you to store your code in your code project in the cloud, right? And enables you to share it with people and also host it. It's more like your online portfolio, right? So these three tools are just the three basic important things you need, right? So in the next video, we're going to be looking at one of the mysterious words in tech, which is actually the cloud. Interesting stuff, right? So this is day 5 of 30 Days of Tech, right? So name again is Precious Ivichukwu Chikizie, CEO of Naham Technologies. All right, so we'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking about the most mysterious word in well, maybe some might not call it the most mysterious, but I find it mysterious, the cloud. All right, catch you in the next one.